Are you tired of feeling like your phone camera video quality is holding you back from creating content that truly resonates with your audience? Do you dream of producing videos that look professional, polished, and highly engaging, but don't know where to start? Imagine being able to capture stunning footage that leaves a lasting impression and grows your subscriber fast and weekly just with your smartphone camera without any fancy equipment. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best 5 tips to transform your phone camera video quality and take your content creation to the next level. I have a bonus tip that I'm going to share with you later in this video, so make sure you don't miss any part of this video. So let's dive in straight away. Tip number 1, look at your camera lens. For a better video quality using your smartphone camera, it is crucial that you always take a look at your camera lens. Talk directly as if you are talking to your friend one-on-one. Doing this will make your audience see it as if you are talking to them directly. This gives you credibility and makes your video more engaging. Tip number 2, turn on the grid. In order to ensure that your phone camera is properly positioned, it is always good to turn on the grid feature on your smartphone camera. This will help you compose your shots, ensure your horizon is level, and improve your overall framing. These features comes in handy because it helps you to position yourself in the center of the frame and in the right direction so that you can easily zoom in, zoom out, and make jump cuts easily. In order to turn on the grid on your phone, go to settings, select grid, and turn it on. Here you have it. Tip number 3, lock your camera exposure. Locking your phone camera exposure is equally important as the previous tips I mentioned earlier. If you wanted to prevent unwanted changes in brightness, this will help maintain a consistent look throughout your video. It ensures that the brightness of your video remains consistent even when the lighting condition changes. Locking your camera exposure also helps you to maintain color accuracy. With this, you are going to achieve professional results without investing in expensive lighting equipment. In order to lock your phone camera exposure, all you need to do is to tap and hold an empty area on your camera for like 5 seconds until it shows that the exposure has been locked. The next tip that I'm going to talk about is very simple and equally important, so you don't want to miss it. But before then, if you are enjoying this video so far, subscribe to my channel and share this video with the people you know that are struggling to achieve high quality video using their smartphone camera. So let's continue. Tip number 4, clean your camera lens. There is something simple you need to do before you press the record button. Make sure you regularly clean your camera lens with a soft cloth and avoid touching it with your fingers. A clean lens is crucial for optimal video quality. When your camera lens is clean, it preserves true color and minimizes noise in your video. Tip number 5, resolution and frame rate. For a clear visual, it is best you choose the highest resolution as possible as you can. Thanks to the latest technology, most phone camera comes with Full HD and 4K features, which provides ultra high definition and cinematic video quality. Ensure you adjust your frame rate to at least 30 frames per second to ensure you are filming at the highest quality possible. If your phone comes with Full HD, that is 1080p or 4K, which is UHD, you can turn it on in your camera settings. The most important thing here is to use the highest resolution that comes with your phone camera. If you are still watching this video up to this point, you deserve the bonus tips that I promised to share with you at the beginning of this video. So here is the bonus tips. Do a test filming. Before starting your actual filming, do a quick test filming to ensure your audio and video are in sync and your camera settings are correct. By using all the 5 tips earlier discussed in this video, also make sure you check your battery level to avoid being cut off during your YouTube video filming process due to low battery. Doing all of this will save you time and frustration in the long run. as well as speed up your video editing process by reducing the unwanted footages. By following these 5 essential tips on how to film high quality YouTube videos with your smartphone, you'll be able to significantly improve your phone camera video quality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more video production tips and tricks. Before you go, watch this video next. These 2 videos shown on the screen right now will help you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.